Hello, my name is Ankush Bhatt and welcome to the short demo in which I'll explain you about the property engine. Let's switch to Tosca. So here, as you can see, I have scanned two different modules. One is of Tricentis vehicle insurance and other is of SAP. Okay, so if I go to the property of first module that is of Tricentis vehicle insurance, I'll be able to see that in property engine, its value is HTML and same for SAP, it is SAP engine. So basically what this property engine tells us, it tells us that which engine is being used to scan that particular module. So for here in this example, the first module, which is Tricentis vehicle insurance, we have made this particular module by using our HTML engine, as you can see here. So it is telling us that this module is being scanned through HTML engine, and same for SAP engine, SAP Easy Access module, it is scanned through SAP engine. So this is all about the property engine. Thank you.